Baublerella natural jewelry cleaners are made to become part of your getting ready routine. Texas maker Chevis Duville created these cleaners to be easy to use and kept on hand, so sprucing up jewelry can be an anywhere, anytime, easy experience. The Bling Brush is a shine-inducing pen that cleans even those hard-to-reach spots. The gentle soap-based solution is safe on all types of stones and works just as well on the real stuff as it does on costume jewelry. There's no ammonia in the formula, unlike many other cleaners, so there's no need to rinse jewelry with water after you use it. It's safe for gemstones, pearls, and diamonds. Just shine on and go. To tackle tarnish, pull on the glitzy glove. It brightens platinum, gold, silver, and brass pieces, as well as plated jewelry. Chevis was rushing to a fancy night out when she realized her wedding ring wasn't sparkly clean. She decided to make her own simple, user-friendly cleaners that leave jewelry looking as good as the rest of you.